School's out, and the sun is shining. Leo and his best furry friend, Rocky, are taking their usual happy walk home. Leo swings his backpack, and Rocky wags his tail, sniffing all the interesting smells along the way. But just as they turn the corner onto their street, a shadow falls over them. It's Max, the neighborhood bully. He blocks their path, a mean look on his face. "Give me your backpack," Max demands, grabbing for the strap. Leo stumbles back, his heart pounding with fear. But before Max can snatch it, Rocky springs into action. He stands right in front of Leo, barking fiercely and growling with all his might. He won't let anyone hurt his boy. Max jumps back, his eyes wide with surprise and fear. He wasn't expecting a furry guardian. He turns and runs away as fast as he can. Leo kneels down and hugs Rocky tight. "You're the best friend ever," he whispers. Together, the two heroes continue their walk home, safe and sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.